You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 12. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the coefficients. Combine like terms. Swap sides. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 3/314. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 12.